Hello, hello, good people. Say bye. Next stop. This is so beautiful. If you know, yes. Um, if you know me, you know how much I love these things. And yeah, my voice is almost gone now. This is lovely culture enrichment for us.
Yes. Yeah, I'm too much.
Exactly. You need to explore. You need to explore. Go outside your comfort zone, and this is outside our comfort zone in all. No, wait, maybe food no because of rice and spicy.
Don't take picture with
Yeah, actually, I have one video. I'll post to that one too. They saw us and like, oh, can we take a picture with you? Can we take a picture? I was like, yeah, why not? Because I am in your country, so it's fine. They want to take a picture with me. Wait. Like, girl, I'm on holiday and she's calling me. Do you see?
Obviously. Why am I not supposed to call you?
Just to let you understand what kind of bestie I have. Say bye. Great. Okay. Love you. Bye bye. And all, let's say the animals that you see around the temple, they are all guides. There's guide and guide. They guide the temple from bad energy. Then that he keeps repeating, never show your legs to Buddha. Like when you're sitting down, you don't have to show your leg onto Buddha, but besides, so you sit, you cross your leg. Mr. Chamfo, say hi. One thing, the Buddha that we saw inside, it says it's the most beautiful Buddha around. There were 3 here, and when the 5th king was, in this area they had 3 Buddha, and all 3 were very nice. And during the war, 2 of them were taken to Bangkok that we saw. So if you watch my videos, you've seen it. And when the 5th king came here again, he wanted to take this Buddha that we saw, and the country people said no, because they are already lost 2. And then the king said, okay, at this point, he left it here. So this area is also known for the loyalty and the request that the king was able to let them have their Buddha. And most of the temples, if you see this, it's called stupa or stufa, not stupa. That's why Buddhists, when you die, to incriminate somebody is to let that person take the fault. No, they burn the ashes, they burn the cup, and it becomes ashes, and they put it inside here. So they don't have a proper cemetery. They have a small stufas around, and normally these big ones are for Buddha. So the stufa for Buddha actually is that one there. I was just trying to explain the difference between this and that, but they are all stufa or stupa. What's your friend say? Stufa. Okay. Okay, so correct pronunciation, stufa, not stupa. And he said this place, they have some characteristics that are Chinese, like the on top there, you will see that thing pointing. You normally see them in China, and says the Thai culture has been mixed with Chinese, Japanese, Hindu. Everything is purely normal. At the moment, I was able to practice 2 words that I learned in Thai. One is nong nong, when you're calling younger people. And I got confused between Puchai and Puyina, because I did not remember which was a girl and a boy, and I asked if they told me. And I also took pictures with some younger girls. So, Nong Puyina, Nong Puyina. Yeah. Yeah.